Good morning, children. Today's offline class will be on the topic types of viruses of the chapter Computer Viruses. So before starting the topic types of viruses, let us rewind the chapter once again. Computer viruses. A computer virus is a program or set of programs designed specifically to affect the normal functioning of a computer. It is created by a programmer to harm memory, processing speed, essential data and programs of a computer. It can copy itself, attach itself to other files and infect a computer. Can enter the computer through an infected floppy, CD, pen drive or internet. What computer virus can do? A computer virus performs the following actions. It can infect the executable program files like Microsoft Word and operating system programs. It can infect the file before it is attached to an email message or transferred to a disk. Thus, the virus spreads from one computer to another. What a virus can't do? It can't infect files which are written on a protected disk like CD-ROM. It can't infect computer hardware. It can only infect computer software. How spreading of a computer virus takes place? A virus enters your computer mostly through emails, instant messages, and risky websites. The virus software attaches to a program such as word processor or spreadsheet. Computer viruses usually spread in one of the three ways: from a removable media, from files downloaded from the internet, and from email attachments. So let us come to today's topic, that is types of viruses. Mainly, there are 8 types of viruses. They are named under. First one is resident virus, direct action virus, overwrite viruses, boot viruses, directory viruses, file infectors, worms, trojans. The first type of virus is resident virus. These viruses are permanent in nature. They dwell in the RAM and damage all those files and programs which are available on the system. Second one is direct action viruses. These viruses affect the documents in the folder or directory and replicate them again in the same place where they are located. The execution of these viruses is triggered when the system is booted every time. Overwrite viruses. These viruses damage or remove the data present in those documents that they infect, thus making them useless at last. The only option left is to delete these useless files. Boot viruses. The virus that infects a part of a hard disk or a floppy drive is referred to as boot sector viruses. It is the crucial part of the disk where the operating system and boot programs will be stored. The boot sector viruses are executed when the computer is restarted. These viruses are almost extinct as floppy disks are outdated now. Directory viruses. These viruses are designed to change the location of the infected file. So, when you execute it, you will never know that you have run a virus. Worms. A worm is a small software program that uses computer networks and takes advantage of security weaknesses to replicate. A worm sends its files through the cables that connect many computers. When the security is weak, the computer that is linked to the infected computer also gets affected. Worms are similar to computer viruses but are less effective and are easy to remove. These viruses replicate themselves and reduce the system performances. Trojans or Trojan horse. These viruses do not replicate themselves and are designed to perform targeted activities. A Trojan horse is a computer program that tricks the user by acting as an original file. When the user opens the file, the virus starts the program automatically and begins to infect the system. A Trojan horse will not replicate a virus program, but it does lots of damage to our computer every time we open and run it.